Hey everyone, Jason here. In this video we're going to have a look at the Corkscrew Paracord Bracelet. Before we start the paracord weave, we'll set up by melting together two 5-foot lengths of paracord for a finished 9-inch bracelet. Then we'll attach the middle of our paracord to one side of our buckle using the common cow's hitch. Next we're going to set up the opposite end by running the paracord through from the bottom of our buckle and then tying a basic cobra knot to hold it in place. Now let's start weaving the Corkscrew Paracord Bracelet. Begin with the left strand and make a full wrapping turn around the core strands of paracord. From there, take your right strand and pass it diagonally down below the left strand and then make a full wrapping turn around the core strands. With the full wrapping turn completed, cinch up your wraps nice and tight against each other. And that's the basic corkscrew weaving pattern. Now continue this pattern down the length of your bracelet. Left strand crosses diagonally down across the right strands and then does a full wrapping turn. Followed by the right strand crossing diagonally across the left strands and then a full wrapping turn. Cinch your strands up tight against each other after each wrapping turn and continue to cross diagonally down and then a full wrapping turn. As you near the end of the bracelet, complete your last pass, diagonally down across, and then again a full wrapping turn. From there, we can tie off the end by using another basic cobra knot. I'll pass my left strand over the top, making a small bite, then pass the other cord over top of it, around the back, and then through the bite, and then cinch up the knot. Now that the weave is finished, we can remove the bracelet from the paracord jig and tidy up the ends. To trim the ends, I'm going to use my scissors and cut the paracord a few millimeters away from the back of the bracelet. I want to ensure there's enough cordage to melt easily without risking burning the bracelet itself. When I have a good melt on the ends, I squish the ends flat as shown here. And there you have it, the Corkscrew Paracord Bracelet. If you'd like to see other paracord knots, then I'd like to recommend my video, 10 Paracord Knots Everyone Should Know. I hope you check it out, and thanks for watching.